Hey everyone! If you're planning to give your kitchen a fresh new look in 2025, hold on just a second before picking a color. Kitchens aren't just about cooking anymore. They've become the heart of the home, where style, comfort, and personality all come together. And when it comes to making a statement, color plays a huge role. In today's video, we're breaking down 5 kitchen colors that are falling out of style in 2025. And more importantly, showing you the gorgeous new shades that are taking over. Let's get into it. Number 1. Stark white color. Why stark white is fading. For years, stark white kitchens were seen as the epitome of elegance and cleanliness. Minimalist designers adored it for its purity and simplicity, often using it as a blank canvas for sleek modern lines and high-contrast finishes. But in 2025, that era is clearly on its way out. Stark white can feel lifeless, almost sterile, like a showroom rather than a welcoming, lived-in space. Without variation, it lacks visual interest and emotional warmth. In many homes, especially those with open floor plans, stark white feels disconnected from the rest of the house. It's bright, yes, but often cold and devoid of character. In a post-pandemic world where comfort and personality matter more than ever, people are looking for kitchens that evoke warmth, safety, and soul, not clinical perfection. What to use instead? Off-white layers. Off-whites with subtle undertones like ivory, pearl, or antique white create a richer, more inviting space while still keeping that clean aesthetic. Almond milk tones. Warm white shades like almond milk offer a creamy touch that pairs beautifully with natural wood or brass hardware. Green tea latte shades. Soft, pale greens like green tea latte introduce a serene, spa-like vibe, bringing a fresh, natural element into your home. Number 2. Muddy brown color. Why muddy brown feels dated. Muddy brown once ruled kitchens during the rustic and country-style boom of the early 2000s. At the time, it brought a grounded, earthy tone that suited traditional cabinetry and farmhouse aesthetics. But in today's design language, it often reads as dull, heavy, and outdated. These flat, lifeless browns tend to absorb light and make a space feel cramped or dim. Overuse in cabinetry, flooring, or wall color can leave a kitchen feeling dark and uninspired. As tastes shift toward more vibrant, refined palettes, muddy browns are quickly being painted over. Modern alternatives: brown sugar. Rich and golden, brown sugar tones add depth and a touch of sweetness, evoking warmth without dullness. Cinnamon slate. This spicy reddish brown creates a cozy, dynamic atmosphere that looks great with matte black or copper accents. Mocha coffee. Smooth, sophisticated, and full of dimension, mocha offers that deep brown comfort, but with a modern, luxurious twist. Number 3. Cool gray color. Cool grays, especially those with blue or green undertones, had a strong run during the minimalist and industrial design trends of the 2010s. They offered a neutral backdrop that paired well with stainless steel and modern surfaces. But in 2025, cool gray is losing its grip. Homeowners now view these hues as emotionally distant. They can feel sterile, especially in kitchens where warmth and connection matter. Cool gray often fails to reflect the cozy, welcoming environment people now want from their homes, particularly as we spend more time cooking, socializing, and even working in the kitchen. The rise of warm neutrals, taupe, and grage. Grage, gray plus beige, has all the versatility of gray but with added warmth, making the kitchen feel much cozier and less stark. Warm mushroom. This earthy, soft beige gray mimics natural stone and works well with both traditional and contemporary aesthetics. Number 4. Jet black color, when black is too harsh. Jet black made waves in high-end modern kitchens for its drama and edge. It brought instant impact and made spaces feel sleek and stylish. But there's a fine line between bold and oppressive, and black often crosses it. In smaller kitchens, black soaks up light and can make the room feel boxed in. Even in larger spaces, it can dominate to the point of being unwelcoming. With the 2025 design ethos leaning into softness and livability, the harshness of jet black is becoming less desirable. Softer, smarter substitutes, Charcoal tones. Charcoal provides that moody vibe, but it's more forgiving, subtle, and stylish when paired with lighter cabinetry or countertops. Graphite hues. Graphite has a cooler metallic undertone that plays well with stainless steel appliances and stone backsplashes. Iron gray depth. Iron gray strikes a balance, dramatic without being overpowering. Ideal for modern farmhouse or Japandi-style kitchens. Number 5. Bright primary colors. The problem with neon kitchens? Loud, bright primary colors like candy apple red, sunshine yellow, and cobalt blue once felt bold and fun, but in 2025 they're considered jarring and impractical. These colors can quickly overwhelm a space, clash with appliances or finishes, and grow tiresome faster than you'd expect. They also make it challenging to layer textures or introduce subtlety into the space. In an age where natural, muted palettes dominate, bright primaries stick out like a sore thumb. Muted and elegant replacements, pastel sage. This subtle green tone is calming, trendy, and perfectly pairs with stone, rattan, or brushed gold finishes. Terracotta blends. Earthy yet playful, terracotta brings a Mediterranean flair to the kitchen, great for rustic chic themes, blue dusk and warm blush. Both tones are muted yet emotional. Blue dusk feels like twilight, while warm blush adds an understated rosy glow to cabinetry or walls. Why kitchen color trends matter. Choosing the right color for your kitchen isn't just about following trends, it's about creating a space that enhances your daily life. The kitchen is where we nourish ourselves, connect with family, and start our mornings. Color affects mood, energy, and how we experience the space. Warm, thoughtful hues can make your kitchen feel like a sanctuary. And when done right, updating your kitchen color can also boost your home's value and market appeal, making it a smart move both emotionally and financially. So as you can see, the kitchen today is about so much more than just cooking. It's where connection, creativity, and comfort come to life. And color is a big part of making that happen. By letting go of outdated shades like stark white or neon red and welcoming in warm, natural tones, you can transform your kitchen into a space that feels modern, inviting, and truly your own. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more color and design inspiration, and drop a comment below. What kitchen color are you ready to say goodbye to in 2025? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.